Looking for a reliable, fuel-efficient SUV that keeps comfort and safety at the forefront? Here are the top hybrid SUVs perfect for senior drivers who want to enjoy the road with peace of mind. Number 7. Ford Escape Hybrid. The Escape Hybrid, which combines comfort, efficiency, and features that are easy to use, is a great option for senior drivers. This hybrid SUV, which debuted in 2020 in its 4th generation, has a roomy cabin with a layout that caters to senior drivers' needs. The Escape Hybrid, which is ideal for short journeys and city driving, boasts a comfortable ride and an outstanding 42 miles per gallon in the city thanks to its 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine and electric motors. The Escape Hybrid's quiet cabin, which reduces road noise to provide a calm driving experience, is one of its noteworthy features. It is useful for people who require more capacity for luggage or mobility aids because of the large cargo compartment and plenty of passenger space. Ford Copilot 360 technology prioritizes safety with features including blind spot monitoring and automated emergency braking. Senior drivers will feel safer on the road thanks to the available all-wheel drive option, which further improves stability in inclement weather. In summary, the Ford Escape Hybrid is a wise option for seniors seeking a dependable and pleasurable driving experience because it blends current technology with practicality. Number 6. Lexus Rx Hybrid. An excellent choice for older drivers looking for a cozy, opulent midsize SUV is the 2024 Lexus RX Hybrid. It offers a luxurious driving experience that meets the needs of senior passengers thanks to its roomy cabin, high-end materials, and excellent construction quality. The remarkable fuel efficiency of the RX Hybrid is one of its main features. Up to 37 miles of electric-only range and an estimated 35 miles per gallon in hybrid mode are provided by its hybrid powertrain, which combines a 2.5-liter inline-4 engine with an electric motor. Seniors can now easily enjoy longer drives without stopping frequently for petrol. With a full range of active and passive safety features including adaptive cruise control, pre-collision detection, lane departure alert, and blind spot monitoring, the RX Hybrid also places a high priority on safety. A safe and secure driving experience is produced by these characteristics working in unison. As a well-rounded mid-size SUV that blends luxury, efficiency, and safety, the 2024 Lexus RX Hybrid is a great option for elderly drivers who like to travel in comfort and style. Number 5. Toyota Highlander Hybrid. The Toyota Highlander Hybrid, which combines comfort, dependability, and exceptional fuel efficiency, is a great option for older drivers. With an estimated 35 miles per gallon, its powerful hybrid drivetrain makes it a cost-effective choice for anyone who wishes to reduce their fuel expenses while still taking longer trips or running everyday errands. In addition to Toyota's well-known dependability, the Highlander Hybrid is a long-term car that elders can trust. Toyota's Safety Sense package, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automated emergency braking, is a testament to the Highlander Hybrid's emphasis on safety. Seniors can drive more confidently in a variety of driving situations thanks to these cutting-edge safety measures. The Highlander Hybrid also offers responsive handling and a comfortable ride, making it the perfect vehicle for people who are sensitive to bumps and uneven roads. Its roomy cargo area adds usefulness by accommodating everything from groceries to equipment for the grandchildren. Despite not being a style icon, its comfort and usefulness make it a dependable senior driver's friend. Number 4. Hyundai Tucson Hybrid. The Hyundai Tucson Hybrid is a fantastic option for elderly drivers looking for a secure, dependable, and fuel-efficient SUV. The Tucson Hybrid offers a pleasant and delightful driving experience thanks to its striking exterior, elegant interior, and potent hybrid drivetrain. Its remarkable fuel efficiency is one of its most noteworthy attributes. The standard blue trim has an EPA estimated 38 miles per gallon, making it an affordable choice for seniors who value fuel economy. A turbocharged 1.6-liter 4-cylinder engine and an electric motor make up the hybrid powertrain, which produces 226 horsepower and 258 pound-foot of torque for safe highway merging and smooth acceleration. Senior drivers are very concerned about safety, and the Tucson Hybrid shines in this regard thanks to its extensive array of cutting-edge driver aid technologies. It guarantees a safe and stress-free driving experience with features including highway driving assistance, a blind spot view monitor, forward collision avoidance assistance, and navigation-based smart cruise control. Senior drivers will find the Hyundai Tucson Hybrid to be a useful and adaptable SUV thanks to its smooth ride, competent driving, and spacious load area. Number 3. Kia Soreto Hybrid. The Kia Soreto Hybrid is a trustworthy and effective SUV that appeals especially to older drivers. Longer trips without frequent fuel breaks are made possible by its remarkable fuel economy, which is projected to be 39 miles per gallon in the city and 35 miles per gallon on the highway. Whether cruising on the interstate or negotiating local streets, this hybrid model's combination of an electric motor and a turbocharged engine makes for a responsive, comfortable, and smooth driving experience. With a number of cutting-edge driver aid technology, the Soreto Hybrid prioritizes safety. It is a comforting option for people who might be more cautious on the road because standard features like automatic emergency braking and blind spot collision avoidance help tirelessly try to keep both drivers and passengers safe. The Soreto Hybrid's sturdy construction and 9 well-positioned airbags guarantee comfort on every journey. Additionally, seniors may feel secure about their investment thanks to Kia's industry-leading 10-year, 100,000-mile guarantee. The Soreto Hybrid is more than simply a car. It's a dependable companion for all of life's journeys, demonstrating that comfort and functionality can coexist. Number 2. Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. Senior drivers will love the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid since it's a pleasant and reliable SUV. Its fuel efficiency, which is about 38 miles per gallon in the city, is one of its best qualities. Seniors can enjoy their ride without worrying about frequent refueling thanks to fewer trips to the petrol station. A 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine and electric motors are combined in the hybrid system to provide a responsive and comfortable driving experience. The RAV4 Hybrid's roomy cabin provides ample headroom and legroom, allowing passengers to spread out during lengthy trips. For elderly people with mobility issues, the cabin's easy-to-enter and depart design is a big plus. In addition, the RAV4 Hybrid is well known for its dependability. With a strong construction and a track record of longevity, Toyota is known for its dependability, and the RAV4 is no exception. For seniors who appreciate both performance and roadside peace of mind, this SUV is a reliable travel companion. Number 1. Honda CR-V Hybrid. Reliability, efficiency, and safety are all combined in the Honda CR-V Hybrid, making it a great choice for senior drivers. With a 2.0-liter engine and electric motors, the powerful hybrid drivetrain produces an amazing 204 horsepower and an EPA-estimated combined fuel economy of 40 miles per gallon. Seniors can enjoy longer travels without the inconvenience of regular refueling thanks to this fuel economy, which results in fewer trips to the petrol station. Another highlight is the roomy cabin, which offers plenty of legroom and an easy-to-use infotainment system with a standard 7-inch touchscreen, making it possible for seniors to access entertainment and navigation without feeling overloaded. The CR-V Hybrid's appeal is further enhanced by Honda's stellar reputation for dependability, which is supported by a strong warranty that lasts for 3 years or 36,000 miles, as well as an additional 8 years for hybrid components, providing seniors with peace of mind regarding their investment. We've reached the end of this video. For more upcoming content, please subscribe to the channel and like the content if you found it useful.